how's it going, girl?
I don't know.
Welcome to Skydive Spaceland. To all your friends and family watching this video, what are you gonna do today? Tell us. What are you gonna be doing? You jumping out of a plane?
Yes.
For the first time?
For the first time, guys.
Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
All right. So how high are we going on the skydive?
14,000 miles.
Very good. And how fast are we gonna fall?
120.
Awesome. And when are you gonna open that parachute?
16.
Perfect, 6,000 feet. And how do you know when it's gonna be 6,000 feet?
By the...
You're gonna check this Rolex over here doing your skydive. Awesome. Well, Mary, looks like you're ready to go. Is there anything else you want to take to the camera?
No, just watch, guys.
All right, have fun out there. Big smile, and I'll see you in the sky. Marianne, how was your skydive?
Very great.
Very great.
No, actually, it's iamyetyet.
Maria is in Spanish.
Yes.
You liked it?
I love it. My goodness, you guys should do this.
When you do it again?
Of course.
How about your instructor Fernando? How did he do?
So.
He's so good. Guys, I really recommend Fernando.
Well, you did great out there. Seems like you were having a lot of fun.
Yes.
Thanks for jumping with us here at Skydive
Thank you so
Spaceland.
much.
We'll see you next time.